This is the toy storage cupboard. Let me just check if it's all good.
Oh, that's a bit weird. You can see my pea stick. Does anyone keep their pea stick?
Welcome back to our channel. As you can see, it's just me again because this is the part 2 of my first video, which was the decluttering my home the Marie Kondo style, or Konmari method, and we've already posted that, so that was last week's video. So I'll link that here so you can go watch that first and see the process. Wow, it was a big process, but oh my gosh, totally worth it, guys. My house is still crazy because I'm still organizing it, but I thought I'd show you what I have done so far in the organizing process, and eventually you'll get to see every single thing that I've done. But yeah, so today I'm gonna take you on a little tour and show you what I've done organizing my cupboards and my shelves for my toy cupboard, and for my linen cupboard and my bathroom. And don't forget to like this video and subscribe if you haven't already, so then you can follow us and watch all the videos that we post in the future and in the past as well. Anyway, let's go. Okay, we are in Eisen's room. And if you didn't know already, this is the big cupboard at the back of his room. And this is literally the only cupboard that we have in the house that is for like any sort of storage. We have like our cupboards in our bedrooms, but they obviously are taken up with clothing. Evie's is kind of Matt's clothing now, and a couple of her toy items, so larger toy items, just because I've reshuffled since I've decluttered. So now our room has my clothes hanging up, and then Evie's room has all of his, because we have made a separate cupboard for Evie, which I'll link that video up here because we DIY'd it and it's really cool. On another note, this is the toy storage cupboard. Let me just check if it's all good. Now, I've only just recently done this since we've decluttered, and I think it's the best thing I've done. What I do is I rotate Evie's and Eisen's toys once a week. Then they can play with like whatever I put out, and they get excited because it's kind of like new toys and it's fresh. And I've noticed that there's less mess. Like, I mean, there's still mess. There's mess with kids, but it's still less. If you do toy rotations, it's beneficial for them because they're not so overwhelmed with how much toys they have. I'm storing them in here, and then I take them out and I rotate them. Let me take you on a tour. Okay, so this isn't exactly Pinterest worthy, but it's functional and that's what I wanted. And I'm still probably going to change things up as I go. You know how it is. So this is what it looks like. I've got the books up here, all in rainbow, just like Home Edit. If you haven't watched Home Edit on Netflix or follow them on Instagram, it's very nice to watch. It's easy to access if I want to change her books out and I know what colors, where they go. I've just got this from KMART. This is just kind of miscellaneous stuff. I didn't have enough space. That might change again, but so far that's there. This is the best idea in the world. These are all from Kmart. These are like, I guess, paper holders or anything, like it's in the stationery section, and you put your puzzles in there so you don't lose all the pieces. Every mother is like saying hallelujah right now. So that's all the puzzles. And then down here, oh, I left the label on. I wanted to label these, but I don't have the labels right now. So eventually I might either put the labels on here or maybe get the sticky clear ones and put them on here. So this is all like activities, like there's threading with beads and button things. There's like these alphabet book things. There's some flashcards for words. Then we have, in the same Kmart storage containers, activities for Evie to learn with, like paper stuff and laminated things that she can do. Coloring in books and activity books in there too. So that is really handy because I can just grab it and it's easy and it looks neat and tidy. Everything here pretty much is from KMART, and I'll link them below. Over here is like the craft sort of section. We have our pencils in here and some pens, art supplies. That's a label from KMART, and it's on a Lazy Susan. So it's all bits and bobs. I've got paper cups, glitter. I've got these. These are really cool. I mean, obviously not if a child is swallowing things and crawling, so I'm gonna have to be careful when Eisen's crawling and stuff. But these are like those really cool river stone type things, and it's great for like making sensory play, open-ended play. I can put some photos up here like in the water with sea creatures and all sorts of things like that. Anyway, some wooden beads, some paddle pop sticks, glue, scissors, glitter, and then we also have some more art supplies down here. Some stickers, her activity book that she does gluing and sticking in. This will be Eisen's little toolkit eventually. This is like the nature section. I've actually got more nature stuff. This is like all wood and things that she can create with her toy animals, which are actually in her toy rotation now. And we come down here and we've got Evie's wooden kitchen set, and some musical instruments, flowers that she uses for like pretend play and gardens that she makes, and some special rocks as well. We've got here a wooden car thing. This is all flashcards and memory games. Some puzzles that couldn't fit into those containers. Down here we have some baskets. Now these are also from KMART, and we've got some toy cars, and these are more like building and big like blocks and stuff. So we've got like the Jupo blocks, a wooden train set, and then in here we have, oh, this is miscellaneous random stuff that I didn't really know what to do with, which you definitely need one of those. And this is all like wooden blocks. We also have magnetic tiles. If anyone hasn't heard of magnetic tiles, they are the bomb diggity. She plays with them all the time. They're in her rotation at the moment. Okay, that is that cupboard. Now we go over here. Now this is Eisen's like dressing cupboard. Like we've got his clothes up here and things that like are a little bit big for him at the moment. And then down here, guys, this is the best thing. If you have kids and they obviously grow out of clothes so fast, if you can hide a basket or a container somewhere in the room and just throw the ones that don't fit in there, and once they get full, which this is, you put it away in storage or give it to Lifeline or pass it on to someone. That is the best thing you can do. And then I've just got all the wooden toys here, like the bigger items that I'll get out as well. They are for Evie and Eisen really. Some wooden game puzzle things, and these are all Eisen's kind of like toys that he plays with. A lot of these were like op shop finds, which is so cute. This is my new linen cupboard. Oh, there's another one of those. I was deciding whether I'd put that there or not, but I think I will label these. I've just got to write the labels on them. This is yeah, pillowcases and cushion covers, single sheets for Evie, and then we'll go down here and these are our sheets, and then our doona covers as well. If you want to know how I do my sheets, this is what my mum actually taught me, so thanks mum. You just you fold up your sheets and your pillowcases, and then you get one of the pillowcases and you pop it all in like a little package, and then you fold them up together like that and pop them in like a little parcel in like a file order so you can see everything, and you just pop it out. And that way you know everything is in the same spot, you don't lose anything. So pop that in. Yeah, so that's fantastic, and I'm so excited to utilize this. Down here we have some larger kitchen items. Obviously in an ideal world I would like to not have these in here, but what can you do? We have a really tiny house and a tiny kitchen, and these are huge. And then down here I've got these from these boxes, the two ones with the white thing, they're from Target. But these ones, which I'd probably get heaps more of these are fantastic, are from KMART. They come in a pack of 4, so you get all of those. I can't remember the price, but it's a good one. They're like square, so they just sit really well and you could pack a lot in, and it's just really good. Like, I don't like containers how they go large at the top, smaller at the bottom, like on an angle, because it just doesn't utilize space really well. So I've got some paper crafting odds and ends for Evie to play with and glue and stick. Same over there. I've got to label these, but this is like sentimental stuff for Evie, sentimental stuff for Eisen, like cards when they were born, and like, I think you can see, oh, that's a bit weird, you can see my pea stick that I found out Eisen, when I found out Eisen was in my tummy. Does anyone keep their pea stick?
This is like photos. This is also like miscellaneous items like some hot water bottles, etc. I'm super happy with how this turned out. Up here is, we won't look up there. This is like, actually I've got to do something with those. This is all like the Christmas stuff, and I honestly didn't want to touch that until Christmas time, and then I'll properly organize it because that's just a whole nother thing. That's that cupboard. I'm pretty impressed. Okay guys, welcome to our bathroom. Hopefully you cannot hear Eisen crying in the background because he is. Bathroom. And I recently kind of changed it up. At this stage this will stay like that, but it could change. But I keep my cotton wool balls in there, and that's just a bit of a decor piece. So let's go into my cupboard. But this is what it looks like now. How nice. So I've got these containers here. These ones are actually from IKEA. They come in a pack and a big container comes with it. And I've got my face stuff, so I've labeled it with my face. So there's like a few face masks and things there. There's some lips. This is just extra lipstick, and this is extra, so this is just like samples I've got, and some toothpaste stuff that we might take traveling, some face masks, sheets in there, some other creams, and we've got my moisturizers that I use for my body, and my deodorants and oils for hair and stretch marks, etc. This is my daily routine, which is great because I can just take it out and use it. And then I've just got some bath salts and some extra like tanning stuff up here, some scents up here, moisturizer, etc. Yeah, so that's mine. And then we've got Matt's over here, and we've got, he has obviously less cosmetic stuff, but we've got like, this is like first aid up here, and then we've got essential oils in there, and then his creams and eye solutions, etc. And then for here I've got like his eyes, he wears contacts, so he's got his contacts things in there, and his lens cleaners, and some deodorants, and these are deodorants as well. So that's his. And coming back to my side, so this is my makeup. So I've got my makeup in these containers from KMART. They come in several different sizes, and you can just take them in and out, which is great. And then I've got my hair care in here, so brushes and combs, my scrunchies and hair ties, some bobby pins, some other hair clips in there, and I have like those big claw clips that go in there too. So that's so much better. Down here, this is so cool because I've got, it fits my hair straightener in there in the case, and then I've got this which carries my hair curlers, and then I've got my hair dryer and my hairspray, and it's big enough to stand up in there, so that's fantastic. And then over to Matt's again. We have all of his stuff, so we've got like his shaving creams in there, his glasses case, his shaving equipment, his hair care stuff, and nails. And that's, again, it all comes out so you can customize to your drawers, which I love. And then this is like travel and like random stuff. So we've got like some travel bags in here. I keep mine already packed usually, and then I have extra cases as well if we want to add like extra things depending on where we're going. And then I've got like dental stuff, like extra dental thing, like teeth whitening and extra toothbrushes, and some another oils, sunscreens, Airguard, and then I've got my lashes in here if I don't use them often, but when I do, they're there. And then towels, which I fold like a filing system. So that is, oh, that's my charger. That looks ugly, but anyway, so that's that. And then, oh, the middle cupboard. The middle cupboard, I don't have a cleaning or cupboard, as you saw. I've only got a tiny linen cupboard, so this is kind of like my cleaning station. I've got my cleaning cloths and some rags in the back, some face washes. These are extra cotton wool balls that I can put up in the jar. And these are some scrubs for like, they clean off everything. They're amazing. Lazy Susan, you have to have a Lazy Susan in your house. These are everything. And that just fell over. So I've got some cleaning products. I've got my nail kit stuff in here. It's just so easy to access and I'm obsessed. My tanning glove on there. And yeah, I'm loving it. I love this, how you can just pull it out and put it in and it's really easy. This is from KMART as well. Oh, it's so good. Anyway, that's my bathroom. I hope you loved this video and I hope it gave you some tips, because I know it's a struggle for me to organize sometimes, but now that I've got into the mojo and I've decluttered in most of my stuff, I'm slowly like getting from one cupboard to another and one room to another, and it's just so refreshing. Like coming in here, it's just so much easier to just grab anything and put it away. Like everything has a home. I'm naturally not the tidiest person and I'm training myself hardcore. I'm like a training boot camp. But anyway, so I hope you got something out of this and you get motivated to do your house as well, and show me any photos. If you want to send me any on Instagram, please do. My Instagram is here, and so is Bridie's and our Together Instagram. Anyway, thanks for watching. We'll see you next time. Bye. Do you want to eat something? Look, try this. You gotta sit up though. Come on, I'm gonna try this for the first time. Yeah, eat that. Oh, yum. You're gonna like that, I promise. Is that good? Tasty? You like it? I'll keep you entertained. Alright. Okay. Oh, no earrings. Hang on.